Hey guys, so I have uploaded a video about my drone not flying, not taking off. So I found a solution for it. It was a pretty simple solution. So last time when I removed my propellers, I installed them in the wrong way. So the stripes one should be on the left, rear left and front right. So my positioning is wrong. So this one will go here. So the double stripe one should be on front right and rear left. So I'll switch this and try to turn the drone on and let's see what happens.
Take off.
So after searching a lot online, so I found a solution. So when I removed my propellers, I installed them in the wrong way. So what we have to do is this one. This is the double stripe one. This should be on the front right, and other double stripe one should be on the rear left. So let's remove this. So guys, now we have changed the positions. As you can see, double stripe on the front right and bottom left, and single stripe on front left and bottom right. So let's try to fly this and see if it flies now.
Take off.
So I have manually started it. Now let's try taking off. So guys, this was the solution. You just had to change the position of the flaps or propellers and it's working now. So this was a very stupid mistake from me. You might have done the same, so just correct it like this and your drone will be fine to go. Thank you for watching and do subscribe for more such videos, and also let me know if you are facing any other problems. So thank you for watching.